How do you change your bank account on Prizepicks? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can change your bank account or your payments method on Prizepicks. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to change your bank account on Prizepicks, it is fairly simple for us to do so. What we have to do is we have to open our browser and go to prizepicks.com. Click the login button from the top right hand side and just make sure to log into your Prizepicks account. Now to change our bank account, there is a couple of things you have to understand. Now here you can see on Prizepicks Help Center it says how to remove or replace the payment method, which could be your bank account. Right over here, you can remove a payment method after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. So for that, just log into your account and tap the deposit button in the top right corner. Once you're over there, you should see a trash icon. So you have to click the icon to remove a payment method. If the trash icon isn't there, that means you still need to wait for your 60-day waiting period to end. Then after that, you'll be able to add another payment method if that is the case with you. This way you'll be able to change your bank account in Prizepicks. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.